Well, hello, my name is Steve Browse. I am the National Sales Manager for Sol-Lux. We're here at our booth for CEDIA 2025, and I'd like to introduce to you some exciting new products. This, for example, is basically called EOS. EOS is a unique solution specifically to actually shade windows. So, whereas we're going to show you some retractable solutions, this one here is designed to be installed right above your window and will automatically basically come in and out depending on the amount of sun that comes out. It's custom built with, based on size. We've got over 150 different colors for cases and over 70 different colors for fabrics. So what you're looking at here is a product called the Mirage. The Mirage is our flagship patio awning. This unit will basically go anywhere between 15 to 21 feet in length, an extension of 12 feet, so lots and lots of shading. That LED strip that you're looking at right there is dimmable and comes standard with this particular unit. This is basically the 3 different awnings. So we just saw EOS. This is basically Mirage. We're going to be looking at Freedom next, but you can see what's really interesting about our products is the way they install. This is called the French cleat. All you need to do to install our product is get this flat and flush on an even surface, and then from there, the awning itself can basically be hung on, and then it's secure both on the bottom and the top. So very low profile, and when it's retracted, it just completely disappears. So this is actually called Mirasol, and Mirasol basically is the perfect solution if you're looking for privacy or if you're looking for solar screens. Those units will basically go anywhere between 3 to 19 feet across and a drop of all the way down to 13 feet to really give you a beautiful enclosed, totally enclosed, mosquito-free environment in a patio type setting. Hope you have a wonderful show, and thanks again for your time.